Hi and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Today back on the my worst lawnmower. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be stripping it down, get the wheels off, and I'm even going to take the engine off today. So complete strip down, see what's what with it, and see what we're going to do. See you in a bit. Hello everyone. Right, today I said I was going to strip down the worst lawnmower, but then I'm afraid disaster struck. All the wheels, when I said they were seized, they are absolutely seized. The bearings inside them, even the shafts, I cannot get them out whatsoever. I couldn't get the engine off at all. The nuts weren't having it. I couldn't heat up the nuts in case it burnt the plastic deck. So I'm afraid that project, is over. I'll show you what I did in the end though. I completely stripped it down, the engine, and I've taken all parts off that I could use, and I will use them for spares and maybe for another project. Also part of the engine, I think it was broken. It looks broken. It looks like there's a hole going through it. And when I took the exhaust off and the inlet manifold, the engine did smell really bad, so I think the engine was possibly on its way out. So just give you a quick shot of what's left of it. Well, there it is. I'm afraid not much left of it. If I just show you the part of the engine on the left there's a hole. Now I can stick my finger through it. Now that really shouldn't be there. Oh, I did forget one thing. I'll take the oil. I've got to drain the oil out of it tomorrow. Apart from that, I'm afraid that's it on this one. So if you did like this very short project, I'm afraid, please like and subscribe, and till next time, cheerio.